It's giving mysterious babe. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bethany, and as you can tell by the title, I'll be installing a wig today, but not your traditional frontal. Thank you to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video. Today's wig is a 24-inch kinky straight V-part wig, 180% density, okay? But without talking too much, let's get right into the video. In the box, Wiggins hair. In the box comes the wig, of course. This is the hair straight out the box. It is so full. Lashes, a little toothbrush for my edges and stuff. They gave me 2 bands to like lay down the lace or whatever. A wig cap, and then a little baggie for the hair. It has combs right here, and then there's one at the bottom. So I'm just gonna cut it open because I want like flexibility or whatever. As you can see, like it's sealed shut right here. So I'm just gonna cut that open. And as you can see, my hair is not black, but that's why I brought some spray. And I'm gonna start off with the middle part. That's why this is left out. Okay, I just put one clip in so you can see it's like secure. Let me go on with another one. And I'm literally like tucking it into my braid. So now it's like, it's on my head, okay? And then you just bring it, like literally swing it over to the other side. And as you can see, sorry if my hair is, if you see white stuff, it's not dandruff, okay? It's literally gel. And then I'm literally tucking it in to the other side, like to the braid on the other side. And then let me do this comb. Okay, it's on. Like it's literally on. And then you see, that's why I left this part out, because the wig doesn't come literally all the way to here. So then when my natural hair is out, like I can bring it back, swing it back, do my baby hairs or whatever. And then I'm about to unbraid this, and then we'll see what it looks like. As you can see, I'm doing a middle part right now, but I do want to see what it looks like with the side part. I told you this is my first time doing a V-part wig, so I really want to experiment. Laces, like frontals, are so much work. And I like low maintenance things, okay? I'm a low maintenance babe. And as you can see, it's not blending right now, but once I spray this, yeah. Now I get to styling. What I can say is the process of actually putting the hair on, the V-part wig on, is very, very easy. But the real test is to see if it can hold some curls. What? I don't even have to go back and recurl it. And it went from this to this. Wiggins. This is my first V-part wig and my first kinky straight wig. So I am just, What I'm gonna do next is after I finish the middle part, I'm literally just gonna try to make it a side part and see what it looks like. Because I just wanna test out how much I could do with this V-part wig. Like, what? Of course you can do other hairstyles with it, like actually play with the hair, but I just wanna see like how natural I can make the actual scalp look. Where have V-part wigs been all my life? I made it to the part where my actual hair is gonna get straightened. So here's my hair. As you can see, it has like little orange tints or whatever, light brown, whatever. So I'm just gonna go in and straighten it with the V-part wig. Like, bro, are you seeing this? This is the last part on this side of my head, and this part is my hair, so let's see how it blends. What? And then once I do the baby hairs, oh. And it being kinky helps it blend so much better. The only thing that may not blend is the color. But I'm gonna come back with this at the end. Let me do this side and I'll be right back. added some baby hairs and I put this flyaway tamer on. Okay. Now let me spray to make it blend a little better. I feel like adding some black spray to my actual hair helped it blend so much better. Like I can just like so free, so full, and it holds the curls perfectly. What I did since the camera was off, I used a toothbrush from Wiggins to do my little baby hairs. Like you can see how I can just freely go like this. Yeah, but I used the toothbrush from Wiggins hair to do my edges, and then I used a flyaway tamer to, like, you know, tame my flyaways at the top to make it look real clean or whatever. But yeah, and then I sprayed my hair to blend into the wig, literally because my hair, you know, was like light brown or whatever. But this is like a little bit better. But I'm gonna try to do the side part and I'll be right back. But like I could literally go like this. Like what? Like I could like put my hair like what? You see my bag? Yeah. I'm back with the side part and I literally love this wig. I don't know which one I like better, side part or middle part. It's just like, it's giving mysterious babe, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know which one you like better, side part or middle part. I'm feeling side part. I don't know. I think it's the bang. But let me know what you like better, side part or middle part. Comment down below, let your girl know. But thank you, Wiggins Hair, for sending me this beautiful wig. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.